Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the lifelong LLRH09 room humidifier. There's an image of the humidifier right over here. As you can see, it comes with a transparent tank and it's also top loading. This is the main unit over here. You will notice the mist tube right through here along with the atomizer as well. And do we have any specifications? Yes, we do. This comes with mute humidification, air filter, bacterial removal and time setting as well. It also comes with 1 year of warranty. There are some specifications mentioned here. Let's quickly take a look. It says gross weight is 1.6 kilos. Wattage is 22 watts. It's a 22 watt humidifier. It comes with a manual and a warranty card as well. Now let's open this and see what's inside. Right on top, we have a user manual from Lifelong for this room humidifier. Everything that you want to know is right over here, along with a consumer warranty card. And this is a 6 months extended warranty from Lifelong for this product. There you go. Now let's take a look at the humidifier itself. There you go. This is what the Lifelong LLRH09 room humidifier looks like. This is a top loading humidifier. So everything goes in through this lid over here. Also, this entire thing is removable, but that's actually pretty great. This is the main unit. This is the 22 watt main unit. All the heating elements are basically here. And what happens here is that you load this particular tank with water, and there's an air nozzle that comes. This is your air nozzle over here. The air nozzle comes out and gets heated. So what happens is that you pour this tank with water, which gets heated, and then the mist starts forming, which then comes out of this mist tube over here. Also notice that this is a transparent tank. This is not the largest humidifier, but a pretty large humidifier regardless. This is at least 3 liters of capacity in it. At least 2.5 liters to be very fair. And it also comes with this flat TPE power cable. So this is it. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Lifelong LLRH09 room humidifier. Thank you for watching.